Hi, welcome back. This is part 3 of a video on how I built gate posts for this property I'm developing. That's a sketch I did, and then I followed through with it by building. The first video is about building the cement structure with cinder block, or cement block, I guess they call it now. And then in the second part, the cladding of the hood that will sit on top of that. So now I'm continuing with the hood build, and I will go into the starting of putting the stones on these cement structures. I hope you enjoy the video. Please comment if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching. So this is the second hood, and we put that finial up top. Put some caulk around it to make sure it doesn't leak. Same thing with this one. So I bought these 2 lamps. Got them at Hobby Lobby. Got them on sale for like $11. They were $20. Anyway, I think they have this muted diffused glass, which I think will look real nice, and there's an opening to get in and change the light bulb instead of going through the top here, but they'll fit very nicely in here. And I think I'm going to raise it a little bit. I got a piece of wood in there. I'm going to try and raise it. We'll see if that works. And I got it in this lamp, the hood. I got a little piece of wood at the very top that's going to come out. I just wedged it in there to make sure that it was secure and the glue dried underneath this. So once I had that top secured in and the lamp hooked up, Virginia and I decided to approach the layering of stones. Now, these stones were very heavy, and they didn't really want to just stick. So this was our first attempt, and they just kept falling off, and they were really heavy. So it was quite a challenge to work with this, but we made our attempts. And after the first day of frustration, came back and tried it again with a different approach, which you'll see in a few minutes. Keep in mind, we have never done this before. The first thing I learned was that mud right there was too wet. So that was the first mistake we made. The way I was putting it on was okay. I could have put it on a little heavier. But you can see these stones are probably 1.5 to 2 inches thick, and they're very heavy. So they really didn't stick very well. Anyway, you can't have it too thick. Peanut butter, they say. Well, this is not peanut butter. So anyway, I got kind of frustrated with this process and needed to step away, which I did. But I did come back to it, so you'll see that. And we ended up being successful with the job. So stay tuned to see the rest of it. Thanks again for watching.
More shipment, please. We're in there?